Hi, this is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how to use the writing feedback tool in MagicSchool AI to help prepare your elementary school students for the writing component of the SC Ready test. So the first thing that you'll need to do is log into MagicSchool, and we're going to search for the writing feedback tool by typing writing feedback into the search bar. And then I'm going to go ahead and click writing feedback. The example that I'm going to give you is 3rd grade, so you just select your grade level here. And for the assignment description, I'm actually going to pull this straight from the Department of Education website. So I'm going to copy the assignment description so students read a passage or passages and respond to a prompt or task while drawing upon the text for the written response. Then I can go ahead and attach the rubric. I've downloaded this from the State Department website. So I am going to go ahead and attach the 3rd and 4th grade writing rubric, which is to convey an experience. For additional type of feedback, I want to attach the writer's checklist from the State Department website as well. And then this is where we can insert the writing. So if you had your students do their writing on a Google Doc, I can just copy it from the Google Doc and paste it into the dialog box in MagicSchool. And this sample that I'm giving you is straight from the State Department website. I can also upload a file right here if that's easier. And then I'm going to click Generate. MagicSchool will then give us some areas of strength, some areas for growth, and some general feedback on writing mechanics. After I've looked at this and make sure that it's appropriate, I can go ahead and copy by clicking the squares. And I could actually go into the Google Doc where my student typed their response, their practice response, and I could paste my feedback right under their response. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more Dear Disc content.